flower with me. What that man? I spent on him. Time. That love was
Okay, I'm going to give everyone grab a seat. So the goal is we've got 8 weeks, alright? What I need from you guys, obviously, is to learn how to use these, your ears. Just listening to each other, alright? Making sure we start to work together as a team, alright? You can do something really, really amazing here. What this is about you, okay? It's not about me. It's how you use your mind and create something. Just going to come over here. I'm probably going to be working individually with some of you, so if it feels like you're not doing anything, I'll be with you soon. 4. Good. Now, you can play G-Cone. Okay, ready? Here we go. Keep that going for me. Can you keep that going for me? Yeah. You can sing, my friend. Out of control. I love it.